So a very good morning to all the viewers who are watching my video. So in this video I'll be discussing the Indian architecture squid system for supporting the dome was used for the first time in which of the following rulership. So if we discuss about the squid system, we should have to know long buildings have been built in this 21st century through pillars. We know that pillars usually support a long buildings, right? So what happens usually when there is no formation of cement, there is no formation of contract, we can say that. So at that time, at that moment, how usually the rulers used to build long domes? Do you know that? Do you even have imagined about how to build those long domes when they used to manufacture Taj Mahal, their Charminar, then after Fatehpur Sikri, then after Iltutmish tomb, then after Qutbuddin Aibak, different tombs which has been built in the modern history, right? Not in an ancient history, we can say that. So under the ruler Delhi Sultanate period. So this is how the architectural design of squid system has improved a lot. A dramatic improvement of squid system been evaluated in the ancient system itself. So how the support has been there, how the support has been given to different those long pillars, that's the question for this today. That's the question which I am going to discuss in this video today. So based upon the question, Indian architecture square system for supporting the dome was used for the first time in the which of the period, in by or in Iltutmish period, okay, in the slave dynasty period, I can say that. So Iltutmish tomb has which system? It has squeeze system of building domes. So okay, so this is how the explanation part is been given here, and the additional part which will be followed in the next video. Okay, do not get confused and watch till the end of the video so that you will be getting the information of additional. Okay, so what is here, it is explanation part. Square system in architecture for supporting dome was used for the first time by Iltutmish tomb, which is option number 1. So option number 1 is the correct option for the above given question. Okay, understood. So how the Iltutmish tomb usually how the Iltutmish tomb usually manufactured to support the squeeze system in Indian architect. Okay, so this is how the squeeze system has been used under Iltutmish period. Okay, thank you.